Hey Tech Fam, it's your boy RJ here. Way back, I did an unboxing of a Windows custom built PC, and that was weak. Well, guess what? I went rogue and joined the other side. As I have tried using MacBooks from friends before, it has given me the allure and the processing power. As you may seen from other unboxing or reviewed videos of the M3 Pro, the M3 Pro is in the middle because there's the M3, the M3 Pro, and there's the M3 Max. I did my research. Since this is going to be my first purchase, I'm making sure that it's worth it. I worried that if I'll go with the M3, its base model, it might give me short of the power that I need. And if I go with the M3 Max, it will be too much for me considering my budget. So I decided just to go in the middle, even though it's still pricey, but I think it's worth it. This definitely is a great purchase for me, especially when you're transitioning from Windows to Apple. But for a first-time owner of a MacBook Pro like me, the price tag is a thing to consider. That's where Refurbished comes in. And without further ado, let's get to our unboxing. Let's see what Apple considered refurbished. Okay, I gotta admit, I'm a little nervous, but mostly excited. Time to unveil this refurbished mystery. First things first, the box. It's not the regular Apple packaging you might be used to, that it shows the picture of the unit and can compare how thin it is. This one's a clean white box with just the MacBook Pro logo and a message on the bottom that it says Apple Certified Refurbished. Now that's what I'm talking about. Budget friendly and Apple approved. This is the best part. Peeling those two security strips to open that MacBook box. You might even hear me let out some so ooze in the background. First up, we've got this sleek braided power cord that is in black. Gotta love this black braided cable. They scream durability. Next, there's this box that maybe has some manuals and the traditional Apple stickers. Yep, user guide and some cool Apple stickers that also comes in black. Cool. Next, the power adapter that is 96 watts. It varies on the specs of what wattage you'll get depending on the specs that you are going to get. And finally, the main event, the MacBook Pro M3 Pro. I'm careful with this wrapping and I don't want it to tear, as maybe, just maybe someday, if I decide to sell it, it would still have all this neat packaging, right? Alright, that's everything. Now let's take a closer look at this beauty itself. This display is insane. Seriously sharp with 600 nits. there are also 3 ports. That is in Type-C. 2 on the left, 1 on the right. On the left, there's also MagSafe. So I guess MagSafe is here to stay. On the right, there's your HDMI port for those secondary monitor setups, and even an SD card reader for photography needs maybe. Is it worth it? Absolutely. I opted for the M3 Pro that has 12-core CPU, 18-core GPU, and with a base of 18 gigs of unified memory. Now that's enough muscle to power through editing, coding, or even just browsing the web with even 20 tabs open at once. As for that would suit my needs personally. Even though it's now 8 months since it launched, these specs are still the latest Apple has made up to date, making it a fantastic purchase, especially for a first-time owner like me. See, refurbished doesn't mean junky. This thing looks brand new and feels amazing. I have been using it now for a couple of days, and the performance is astonishing. I may put up some performance testing, but that's a story for another video. So if you're looking for a powerful machine for the fraction of the cost, a refurbished MacBook Pro M3 Pro is definitely worth considering. Just remember, with great power, well, you know the drill, lighter wallet, heavier processing power. Plus, you'll get that sweet Apple design and build quality. Win-win. Let me know in the comments down below what you next want to see me create with this beast. That's it for now. See you on the next video. And please do subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Like this video. Do the stuff. Do all that good stuff. You know what you have to do. See you in the next video. Bye.